Hi, my name is Victor Sancho, Director of the Product Training and After Sales Service of the RUBI Group. Many months ago, we have been working on the creation of a space that the company needed to offer both our end users and customers all around the world, as well to the different teams and subsidiaries of the group. Today, I welcome you to the RUBI Academy. In this space, we will concentrate all product training of the RUBI Group. We will offer all kinds of pedagogical content through videos, tutorials, webinars and events that will facilitate the task of the professional, present and future, so they will know the last techniques and news to let them build better places. With this, we will set the training guidelines of our sector. We will professionalize and increase the value of the installation of ceramic tiles and will create a learning community, turning this space into a unique and professional meeting point. Let's build better places together.